Guys, it's your boy Kenny Forex here, and I'm back again with another video. So today I'm gonna do analysis of how I trade and all that. So yeah, stay tuned. So if you guys can really notice, in the previous videos I was trading support and resistance, of which I try to switch now. I'm into SMC, so I trade supply and demand, liquidity, FVGs, and order blocks. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So let me show you guys what I have on the charts for today, and we see how it all goes. Today is a Monday. Yeah, let's go to the charts. So this is what I have right now on BTC USD, as you can see. So this is 1 hour time frame, but I scaled down to the lower time frame to refine my setup very well. So if you can really see, right here we have a break of structure, and then we have the order block right there, and then the FVG. So if we move, we can see that we have liquidity right here. This one right here is the liquidity that price needs to clear before it taps me in. So you can see the price came until somewhere here, but it started going back down. I don't know, for some reason it just went down. But yeah, still down here we also have a setup. Let me just, okay, for this upper one I'm going to enter on the FVG right here. Then my SL will be on, like, above the high, which is there. This high is right here, my SL is above them. So my TP will be this next order block. Yeah, so let me first hide this one so that I can explain the next setup. So right now you can see here we have a change of character right here, and then we have this order block, so I dragged it this side, and then we have the fair value gap right here, which is like this, and then we have the liquidity. So I just need the price to come back down, tap this point, and then go up. So this is my entry right here. I'm entering on the order block now. Why am I entering on the order block? Because if I enter on the FVG, just notice how the SL will be very huge, right? From the FVG will be here, so SL will be until down there, so that will be very big. So yeah, I'm entering on the order block, and my stop loss is just below this wick right here, just to be safe. Then my target is this next level where I'm supposed to get the other trade. Yeah, so this is just a 1 to 3, and that is it for BTC USD. Let me check these other pairs. Okay, so this is gold, and as you can see, gold is almost the same as BTC. I'm also entering around here, and this one now I'm entering from the order block. Then I'm going to target this place down here, but somehow I feel like I should target this point, because this is an order block. We don't have to act blind. We're seeing an order block, so we're gonna have to respect it. So I'll take my profits around here, but if I see the market structure is still like the sellers are in momentum, then I'll just go for this. So yeah, this is like a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. And if you can see here, we also have another setup just like BTC. Yes, here we have another buy opportunity, but this one we shall use confirmation entry. I'll go down to the 5-minute time frame and wait for confirmation. So let's see, what do we have here? This is GBP USD. Alright, so GBP USD, I caught a setup here, but it is still not at my entry point. So this is 5-minute time frame. As you can see, we have the change of character, and then we have the order block right here. So the FVG is next to it, and then last thing we need is liquidity now, of which the price is doing well to form liquidity right here. I need liquidity like this, exactly. So right now I want the price to first come a little bit down here and then go. It would have formed liquidity, then it sweeps it out, taps me in, then moves my direction. So this is a good risk to reward ratio, guys. Look at this. This is a 1 to 7 RR. So yeah, if I really catch this trade, it will give me some good profits. So this is all for now. I'll just keep you guys updated. I think these are the only pairs I'm going to trade for the day. uh, BTC USD, gold, and GBP USD. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a few minutes when I see updates. Guys, quick update. Look at this. Look at what is going on right now. GBP USD is just starting to drop, and this is exactly what I said. This is what I explained. I said the market should go up, then come back a little bit. Why? To create liquidity. So now you see we have liquidity. So this is a very good setup now. This is an A plus setup. So I'm just gonna wait for it and come tap me in here, then start dropping. Yes, because this liquidity needs to be taken out before it drops. So it even reacted off the FVG. So yeah, let's see what goes down. Keep you guys posted. Guys, finally we are tapped in. So you can see the price has been playing around here for a very long time. Not that long, yeah, but like 40 minutes, something like 40 minutes. So it just got this spike, boom, to the upside, tap the order block, as well as it also mitigated my limit order. So yes, right now I'm on this trade, so we're just gonna hold it and see how it goes. So here you can see I have an alert here, so if it breaks this point, I'll get alert and I'll see if I can look for another setup. But for now, this is it, and we're just gonna hold this trade till, yeah, till TP or SL. But let's see what goes down. Yeah, I'll see you guys in a few. Guys, quick update. Right now the thing has dropped very well. GBP USD is really dropping, which is good. So we needed to drop right here and break this level, creating a break of structure. So yeah, that's what we're waiting for. But for now, Bitcoin is no Bitcoin what? GBP USD is really good. So yeah, this is the update for now. Keep you guys posted. Alright guys, quick update here on BTC USD. As you can see, we had this setup in the morning, so we were waiting for the price to go tap this point and drop. But now look, very amazing, man. It has tapped our entry and boom, rejected off immediately. So you guys should now notice this. It touched the FVG, but it did not reach the order block. You see that? So it touched the FVG and started dropping. So yeah, that's why I took my entry at the FVG. I've been noticing lately that these trades just hit FVG and reverse. So yeah, that's why I took it at that point. And yeah, this is it. I'm just gonna keep holding this trade, see what's gonna go on. So I'll keep you guys posted as well. Let me check this GBP USD. GBP USD is just now consolidating. It's trying to play around here for some time, but it's not funny, man. Look, it's trying to form a double bottom, which is not good here. So it might try to go up again, but I've trailed my stop loss to this point because we have broken this level here. So it created a change of character, so I trailed my stop loss to this line here. So yeah, let's move and see how it goes. Okay, quick update guys. We took some trades earlier and right now it is 10 p.m. East African time, so let me give you guys a quick update. By the way, we have good news and bad news, so where should I start? Let me start with the bad news. So Bitcoin, we just hit SL, man. Damn, we hit SL for some reason, but I don't know why. Or okay, I see something here. So on the 4-hour we had this order block. We had this order block on the 4-hour time frame, and it was tapped here. The price went up, came and tapped another small order block inside here, and then started going up. So yeah, I think the price has to push until up. Yes, okay. So this is why I failed this trade. That's nice. Yeah, so I shouldn't have taken this from here because that is all liquidity for this next setup up here. So this one all here is just liquidity and it needs to be taken out. I get, so this trade was not a good one, Why? Just because it was liquidity for this setup. Yeah, let's go to the next pair. XAUSD, gold. Well, this gold is very funny. You know, it goes into SL, comes back into profits. You see, uh, it goes up, comes back again into profits, then it goes up. So right now the thing is up. I don't know what is going on, but gold doesn't really look good. It feels like it's just gonna go up, but yeah, it is either SL or TP. That's the rule. So yeah, I'm gonna keep holding this and see if we hit SL or TP. So the third one was GBP USD. So this one has really been a good one. This is the setup that has really started off my week very well. As you guys can see, we took this in the morning. It was a 1 to 7, and right now I think we have already made 1 to 1. Okay, it was a 1 to 2.5, but yeah, it is what it is. We're just gonna keep holding this trade, and right now we can see another order block here. Let me just mark it out. We have this order block, so that is why the price is reacting off right now. So in case it goes up, I'll know why it went up, which is the cause of this order block. So yeah, this is just to keep my mind active. But yes, this is the update for now. I'll see you guys probably tomorrow, and yeah, good night. What's up everybody? It's a very good Tuesday here, and we're just gonna continue from where we stopped yesterday. So let me show you guys real quick. Yesterday we took a loss on BTC USD, and we're still on gold and GBP USD. So let's go and check them out. So let's start with gold. This is how gold is looking like. Yesterday we left at around somewhere around here. Yes, then it dropped, rejected from here, and went back up to sweep liquidity around here. So right now the thing dropped like this and created a change of character, and that's why you see another setup right there. Let me just do this and explain, break it down real quick. So it created a change of character right here, and then the order block is up here and the FVG. So we're only left with one thing, which is liquidity. We want the price to go up right around here, then drop a little bit to create liquidity at this point, then go and tap us in and drop. So yeah, that is it on gold. Let's go see GBP USD. Oh yeah, GBP USD is very good, guys. Let me show you on the 1 hour time frame. GBP USD is really good. So you can see we are now in profits. We are in 32 pips profit, and our target is 80. So yeah, let me see how many risk to reward. We are now running about 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. So yeah, let's go. And as you can see right here, I have another setup on GBP USD as well. So right here we have a change of character, then we have the order block right there and the FVG. Actually this setup was on 30 minutes. Yes, so we have the change of character, the order block right here, and then the FVG, and liquidity is set. So this is a very good setup. Right now just wait for the price to go up, tap this entry and drop. Yeah, it's not necessarily like right now, but I'll just give it time. So yeah, my TP is gonna be like the original TP right here. So that's a 1 to 5 and this is a 1 to 7. So that will be all 1 to 12 risk to reward ratio if we win it. So yeah, this is the update for now, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Yo guys, it's now late in the night. It's 10 p.m. and I'm back on the charts. So right here you can see we just got a new setup, and this is BTC USD. So I had this setup and I was waiting for the price. So the price just tapped in. You see I had this setup right here, change of character, order block, FVG, then SL above there, and then this is the liquidity. So if you guys can really see, actually I had the real position too. Yes, so the entry was at this point. So yeah, this was the setup. I wanted to put the limit order, but I wanted to use confirmation entry, and for some reason I was outside, but I was like chilling out of the charts, so the price just went up very fast and I didn't even know that. So it tapped this point and started dropping, and it caught me off guard. So what I did is look for another setup. Let me just hide this. So I had to look for another setup, which I got a few hours ago, like 2 hours ago. So this is another setup that I got, though the market is just consolidating right now. And let me just explain why I took the trade. So as you guys can see right here, we have a change of character. Let me put this on there. Here's the change of character, like this. Yeah, it's tiny. So we had the change of character and then the order block. So as you can see, the price went back up here and then tapped the order block and started dropping. So I took my trade immediately at this order block. Also we have the FVG, but the only thing missing here is liquidity. So remember, this is a confirmation entry, not original entry. So here liquidity is not, it's not gonna form up, because what now, where's the space it will form? There's no space. So we don't have liquidity on confirmation entry. We don't blame the setup. So yeah, it is still a good setup. Then I took the trade here and started holding for sales. So right now I'm still holding for sales, and I'm going for the TP down there, which is gonna be a good risk to reward ratio. This is like 1 to 10 risk to reward ratio. So I'm just gonna be holding this and see how it all goes. Yeah, and then let's go to gold and check. We had some trades that we are holding. This is actually another setup, but let me hide it. Then I bring the one that we had since yesterday. Yes, so that is it. So as you guys can see, gold is really doing the best. See, this is a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. So right now I think it is already up to how many? Let me check. 1 to 1.8. So yeah, still has time to run. Then let's go to GBP USD. GBP USD, it's really going well, but it first tried to go up. As you guys can see, I had another setup right here. Up here I have another setup, but I don't know if it will reach there. So yeah, I have that setup, and this is the setup that I took yesterday. So it is still moving on well. This is 2 hour time frame. I took the setup on 5 minutes. So yeah, we're still gonna hold it. So I was just putting this auto block to guide me, so that if it reaches there I'll know, but I don't think it will be strong. So yeah, we're just gonna keep holding this trade, and I think this video is becoming longer than I expected though. But yeah, I'll see tomorrow. If it is still, then tomorrow will be the last day. But let's see. All right, for now I'm just let me not forget, there is this setup right here on AUD USD that really made me money today. So you guys can see right here I had a good setup. Let me first clear this new setup that I'm planning for. So as you guys can see right here, we do have a good setup. It was on 15-minute time frame. So I saw this break of structure, because right here was a change of character. So the next one's break of structure. So I now had the order block right here, and then the FVG is next, then liquidity. So what do we need? We just need to enter the order block and then SL above. So yeah, I entered that trade, and look at how I was tapped in. Price just came, tapped me in with a weak rejection and went back down. So it started dropping immediately. This is a very good trade. Actually, these are trades that don't even stress you at all. These are trades that don't stress you. If forex trading was just like this, then everybody would be making money, man, without stress. So yeah, this is it. And right now I actually closed the trade at this point where this line is. I didn't close it manually, but I put my SL there because I was floating in good profits and I didn't want to give it back to the market. So yeah, that is it for now. I would say good night, see you tomorrow. Guys, it is now the last day of the week. The week has come to an end and it's a Friday. So today I've just seen one setup on silver, and that was a few minutes ago right now. So right now it is like 5 p.m. and the markets are about to close later during the midnight. So let me show you guys what I caught. So here's the trade I caught on silver. I saw this break of structure, and then we have the order block, then we have the FVG next to it, and then one thing that I didn't put is the liquidity. So let me just point it out. This right here, this is liquidity, like this. Then yes, that's liquidity. So wait, what's wrong with the internet? Let me just mark it out. Oh, I think my internet is slow. Yeah, but that is the liquidity that I saw. So this is an APA setup, so I didn't hesitate. When I saw it, I just took the trade from here immediately. So I'm gonna hold this. This is on 5-minute time frame, by the way. So I feel like this trade is gonna hit TP today, not even before the markets close. It will hit TP today, but yeah, it is what it is, man. I'll see you.
Damn, it has just started raining and I don't know how it will make noise in the background, but yeah. Guys, that's how my trading days look like, and I've been so patient in these setups. I've been waiting for the trades to play out, waiting for the setups to come, and yeah, it has just been a good week. Actually, most of my trades really went well, as you guys saw. Most of them went well. Some of them I closed them in profits. I didn't wait for full TP, but yeah, it is what it is, man. So if you guys find this video helpful, you can just consider hitting the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to comment so that I can listen what you guys also think about my style of content. Yeah, so I'll see you guys on the next video, and peace.